Hey, what's up guys, this is Crypto Capital. I'll be giving you the latest updates on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you are new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be updating you about the crypto markets pretty much every day and will be updating about all of your favorite cryptocurrencies. Make sure to watch the video till the end, as there is a nice surprise for all of you. However, all these are not any financial advice, and I insist you to do proper research before investing into crypto markets, as it is extremely risky and volatile. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies are currently trading at red. The market capitalization of the global cryptocurrency market is currently 1.47 trillion as of now. Of course, the upcoming Bitcoin death cross could further push the Bitcoin price till $30,000 range and can also go up till $25,000. So there's a lot of FUDs in the market right now with all these bad news coming. However, it's a great time to stack up, as after the dip the market is projected to go really bullish for Bitcoin, and as you all know, the altcoins will follow Bitcoin. For me, it's very much simple, and I still believe that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 by the end of the year, and all the altcoins are definitely going to at least 3x or 4x following the Bitcoin's rise. Bitcoin is also coming with a new upgrade in November called the Taproot, which is being welcomed by a lot of miners, as it will make the transactions simpler and will push great privacy in the blockchain. The new upgrade will also allow smart contracts cheaper, along with taking up lesser space on the blockchain. The most important thing for Taproot is smart contracts. It's already the primary driver of innovation on the Ethereum network. Smart contracts essentially give you the opportunity to really build applications and businesses on the blockchain. The upgrade would take about 5 months, as it requires a lot of testing before being fully integrated into the system. With all these upgrades, Bitcoin is looking pretty good for the future, and I believe that it's inevitable that it will go to $100,000 by the end of this year. May and June has been a stress-filled month for cryptocurrency investors, and with the coming of death cross, Bitcoin is set to drop more, up to $25,000 as per the analysts. Earlier, Bitcoin drops from almost $64,000 to $30,000, almost a 50% drop. There's a huge drop today too, up to $28,000. Ethereum dropped to $1,800 earlier. As I told earlier, all the crypto market is dominated by Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin drops, everything drops down. And of course, it's the opportunity for the new crypto investors to enter into the market, as after this massive drop, Bitcoin will definitely go bullish, and of course, the year-end target is $100,000. One of the likely reasons for the slip in the overall performance for Bitcoin is the increased regulations that governments are placing on cryptocurrencies. It seems almost daily that a new country is announcing plans to expand rules and regulations surrounding the use and trading of cryptocurrencies. A lot of investors panics and loses a lot of money for just panic selling, which is totally not recommended. Since the Bitcoin prices overall is very volatile, one should invest with caution and always play the long-term game and not follow the fad. The paper hands will basically leave, and one who hodls will be the winners. The one who has diamond hands will basically profit massively, as it is the rule of the crypto markets, and the Bitcoin bull run is not over yet. June has been a big month for Ethereum. The 3 recent testnets launched over the last month. A final one is due on June 26. These testnets releases are in lead up to London hard fork. The last year has been a big one for Ethereum network, as it ushered in Ethereum. The network upgrade is a series of adjustments. They include switching over to proof of stake and implementing transaction rollups. As testnets for the London hard fork are made public, it can be observed how the network is pushing towards its goals of a more scalable, safe, and sustainable ecosystem. The importance of Ethereum hitting this benchmark increases as network activity reaches all-time high. This is due to the hype and engagement around NFTs and DeFi. If the hard fork happens, Ethereum will go crazy bullish. Of course, the year-end target is $10,000 Ethereum. One of my favorite altcoins is Cardano. Cardano announced its smart contracts test network. Once this functionality emerges from the testing grounds and becomes integrated into the main public Cardano network, the Cardano team has successfully launched the first smart contract on test network, IOHK. The team behind Cardano and Ada Coin are on track to meet their public launch goals of releasing in the next few months. On top of that, as well as everything else we previously said about Cardano's promising future, one of Ethereum's co-founders recently came out and voiced his support for the coin. He also still owns Ethereum and Bitcoin for that matter, but his support for Cardano and other altcoins adds credibility to a future with numerous coexisting cryptos. Cardano is one of those coins we think will change the world. IOHK and Cardano are already benefiting various communities in Africa, and its potential to help the rest of the globe will expand significantly once its smart contracts roll out later. ADA coin is simply not priced at its current levels. It's been stuck in neutral, but once the technology catches up and surpasses other coins' technology, there's a huge breakout opportunity. The team had a good week testing the Alonzo Blue testnet, and their technology performed just as expected. However, for an altcoin, Cardano's growth has been relatively slow. The development team doesn't wish to change that anytime soon, and the roadmap is set. Owing to this level of technology and groundwork despite no smart contracts currently live on the network, traders are accumulating ADA staking revenue, and rewards are one of the many benefits for community and possibility of high speed, high output smart contracts in synchronous with the roadmap of ADA. At this point, most of what you can do with ADA is taken, and 73% of ADA is currently staked. This pays users 7.3% annually on an average. The big edge for Cardano is its claim to energy efficiency. Cardano's proof-of-stake algorithm is 20,000 times more efficient than Bitcoin's mining system. In energy usage, Cardano's bigger competitor is Ethereum. Ethereum is not wildly energy efficient as things stand now. That said, Ethereum plans to move to a proof-of-stake algorithm like Cardano that would vastly improve its own position. Bitcoin and many other traditional cryptocurrency use a proof-of-work protocol. This is where miners use high-powered graphic cards or specialized computing rigs to guess at complicated mathematical puzzles. Those with more computing power win more of the puzzles and thus receive more of the mining rewards. They have something called proof-of-stake model, which means instead of having to spend huge amounts of computing power and ecological resources to maintain the blockchain, proof-of-stake protocols can use a miner's token as the collateral that makes the system function. Ethereum enjoys a sizable first-mover advantage against Cardano. While Cardano's focus on academia and non-profits has been the hallmark, the argument can be made that lack of private sector engagement has limited the scope of market-driven use cases. There isn't a major decentralized app of significance building on ADA. Several experts pointed to the technical difficulty of programming for ADA as opposed to Ethereum. Ethereum's simplicity has allowed to gain true mass market adoption. Cardano promises to have a robust smart contract environment that will compete with Ethereum's decentralized finance or DeFi platform. However, Cardano isn't in Ethereum's league yet. When it comes to smart contracts, Ethereum obviously has the edge. For now, Ethereum has an inviable developer community and has built a multi-billion-dollar DeFi and non-fungible token ecosystems. Cardano, on the other hand, still hasn't completed integrated smart contracts. With the Alonzo Blue upgrade, they have initiated the process of smart contract integration. It still remains to see if these contracts can be properly implemented in the real world. Overall, while Cardano may have superior technical specifications, it will need to gain more real-world utility and adoption before it can overtake Ethereum. Smash the like button if you have enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting updates regularly about crypto. I'll be personally giving one of you $1,000 worth of Cardano, and all you have to do is like the video and subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and leave a comment down.